So I just got into my hotel like maybe 5 minutes ago. The Doubletree Airport, well, Doubletree by Hilton Airport in Newark. I mean, we're like 5 minutes maybe from the Newark Airport. But my God, I am very impressed with this hotel. The communication with the travel staff at the airport was lackluster at best, but once you get into the airport, into the hotel rather, it's very, very nice. The hotel is styled like a gigantic skyscraper, especially on the inside. There's like glass and metal architecture everywhere. It's gorgeous. Let's see, I got the King Suite City View, king bed, side table, my stuff on the couch. They give you complimentary water, and you can probably see better in the daylight, but don't really see much of the city, so they get discounted points on that one. Because you can see the airport interchange off the corner there, and the major highway in the distance there. And that's about all you can really see, really. That's, yeah. We are right by the United Airlines maintenance facility, though, which really is no surprise considering Newark is United's major hub. Let's see. Very nice carpet. Very nice carpet. Very cushy. You know, a plush leather, I don't want to say poster, but it's really what it is. It's a poster. I bet you this was put up here just to cover a hole in the wall or a disgusting disfigurement. There's LED TV, Samsung, like that. Nice couch. King size bed. Remember when we used to have Bibles put in every drawer in hotels? Nope, no Bible in this one. That's nice. Oh, and we get a little afterthought fridge here in the corner. That's cute. I like that. And around the corner we have the primary bathroom. Nice marble countertop here. Very nice. You know, more hotels are going to these, soap anchored to the wall for the deals to prevent people from taking the toiletries, amenities, etc. Very nice shower with glass door. Going to try that out later tonight. Oh yeah, and I have decided that instead of trying to navigate Newark's clusterfuck of a public transportation system, I'm just going to take an Uber into the city and back. Because it's just not worth it otherwise. I mean, I'm not going to mess with taking trains and buses when I don't live here. That's ridiculous. But yeah, that's the room and my overall plan for tomorrow. Good night.